Welcome to Amruthamadu Stories, and please subscribe the channel, and after listening, please like the video. What does the year 2024 hold for the Indian stock market? A question that has been on the minds of many. As we stand on the precipice of a new year, it's time to ponder on this intriguing query. The Indian stock market, a robust and dynamic entity, plays a crucial role in our economy. Its ebbs and flows reflect not just the financial health of our nation, but often the global economic climate. From businesses, big and small, to individual investors, the market's performance can make or break fortunes. Its influence extends beyond the financial realm, impacting lives, shaping dreams, and dictating policies. The market is a mirror to our economic aspirations, a barometer of our financial ambitions. As we embark on this exploration of the future of the Indian stock market, let's not forget, predictions, especially those concerning the stock market, are not set in stone. As we delve into this topic, keep in mind that stock market predictions involve a degree of uncertainty. To answer our question, we first need to look back at the past trends of the Indian stock market. The story of the market is one of evolution and growth, punctuated by periods of volatility and resilience. The market has seen a roller coaster of ups and downs, reflecting the dynamism of the Indian economy. From the liberalization of the early 90s, which opened the doors to foreign investments, to the IT boom of the late 90s that put India on the global tech map, these key events have shaped the direction of the stock market. The global financial crisis of 2008 was a significant event that shook the market, but it also demonstrated the market's resilience. Despite the initial shock, the market bounced back stronger, reflecting the robustness of the Indian economy. In the past decade, we've seen the rise of new sectors like e-commerce and fintech, which have been game changers. Companies in these sectors have been the darlings of the market, attracting massive investments and driving up indices. But it's not just about the highs. The market has also weathered lows. The demonetization of 2016 and the economic slowdown caused by the pandemic are stark reminders of the market's volatility. Yet, the market has shown an uncanny ability to recover and surge ahead. The past trends also tell us about the increasing participation of retail investors. The democratization of the stock market, aided by technology, has led to a surge in retail investments. This trend has added a new dimension to the market dynamics. All these events, highs and lows, booms and busts, have shaped the Indian stock market and provide us with key insights into its future performance. They tell us about the market's resilience, its ability to adapt and grow, and its potential to offer rewarding investment opportunities. While past performance does not guarantee future results, it can certainly provide us with valuable clues. By understanding the past, we can better anticipate the future. And as we step into 2024, these lessons from the past will be our guide in navigating the Indian stock market. Now that we have a grasp of the past, let's turn our attention to the future. As we enter the year 2024, it's time we examine the potential direction of the Indian stock market. Forecasts are a tricky business, especially in an environment as dynamic as the stock market. Yet by analyzing various economic factors and trends, we can attempt to predict its trajectory. To start with, there's a growing consensus among experts about India's economic growth. The country's GDP is expected to grow at a robust rate. This economic growth, driven by factors like increased infrastructure spending, advancements in technology, and a growing middle class, could bode well for the stock market. Next, let's consider the impact of foreign investments. India, with its burgeoning economy and favorable business climate, continues to attract foreign investors. The infusion of foreign capital can significantly influence the performance of the stock market. Interest rates are another crucial factor to consider. The Reserve Bank of India's policies on interest rates can affect the cost of borrowing, thereby influencing the investment decisions of businesses and individuals alike. Inflation is yet another element that can sway the stock market. It's a delicate balance. Too much inflation can erode purchasing power, while too little can lead to economic stagnation. The way the Indian government and central bank handle inflation could greatly impact the stock market's performance in 2024. Lastly, let's not forget about global economic trends. The Indian stock market doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's influenced by events happening around the globe. From trade wars to pandemics, global events can send ripples through the Indian stock market. So, there we have it. A brief analysis of future predictions for the Indian stock market. Remember, these are just predictions based on current knowledge and trends. The stock market is inherently unpredictable and can be influenced by a multitude of factors. It's clear that there are many factors that can impact the future performance of the Indian stock market. But what does all this mean for the year 2024? Taking everything into account, what does the year 2024 hold for the Indian stock market? As the curtain rises on 2024, the Indian stock market appears poised for a thrilling journey. The past trends and future projections we've discussed earlier weave a complex tapestry. The heart of this tapestry predicts a year of growth and resilience. The momentum from the previous years is expected to carry forward, fueled by the country's robust economic recovery and the strengthening of key sectors. The IT, pharmaceutical, and renewable energy sectors, in particular, are expected to lead the charge. As India continues to assert itself on the global stage, foreign investments are projected to rise, adding to the market's vitality. The government's pro-growth policies and initiatives are likely to further stimulate the market. The emphasis on digitalization and infrastructure development, coupled with tax incentives for startups, may create a conducive environment for market expansion. However, it's important to remember that every silver lining has a cloud. The market might face challenges from inflationary pressures and global economic uncertainties. The ever-present threat of geopolitical tensions could also cast a shadow. But overall, 2024 promises to be a year of opportunity for the Indian stock market. It's a dynamic landscape that's constantly evolving, and those who adapt and innovate are the ones who stand to gain the most. While this prediction is based on careful analysis, always remember that the stock market has its own share of unpredictability. In conclusion, the future of the Indian stock market in 2024 is a topic of great interest. We've traversed through past trends, laid out future predictions, and honed in on the specifics of 2024. Remember, the key lies in understanding the market's potential dynamics and potential shifts. As we step into the future, it's important to keep an eye on these trends and make informed decisions. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of the Indian stock market.